Hello everyone. Actually, I was not having any plans to come and talk to you till the guidelines came from the institute on an actual basis. But the kind of questions I have been interacting with all the students, and in fact, I saw a couple of videos from my few or rather few videos from very popular faculties. So I thought let me give you one or two of the clarifications which are immediately needed. I will not go into detail of other queries, but I will try to give you some of the answers from my side. One problem which is coming to all of you is regarding server issue, where you are not feeling the speed or not feeling comfortable. I understand, and when I say, please take note of this, it is my personal understanding and my personal knowledge. I am no official, I am not going to make any official statement also. But what I am going to say is that this issue of server being slow and not responding in many of the cases what you have been saying is going to be sorted out within next 24 to 48 hours. So you won't have any problem whatsoever. And this I am saying with a very positive confirmation from the concerned people, because they have already taken note. I made a request to them that these are the issues which are coming. They have already acted, and in next 24 hours you will feel that everything becomes stable. The second question which is continuously coming is regarding the pattern. It's a huge thing. It's a huge thing. Actually, when all of you are talking about pattern, I understand now that what you are basically worried about is that previous pattern was that there will be X number of questions and you are supposed to make a selection out of that, or an option that few of them you will not answer. Friends, I have already requested to the institute. They are fully aware about this issue, and what I understand is, mark my words, what I understand is that pattern will be same. These are only mock tests for your practice. When the actual will be coming, you will have the same pattern of, let us say for example, you were getting 7 questions out of which you could choose 5 and give the answer. That will be the case also in the main paper, which I understand. I am also requesting them that please consider, and they are fully aware about it. I have been informed that whatever is happening now or whatever you are getting as a mock test, it is only for your test. Actual paper pattern will be same as you have been given. I can answer only two things. The third request of opting out I have already made, and it has to go for a decision of the committee. And I think I have already informed the concerned authority that please shift if any student is not, for whatever reasons, is not able to give the exam, please carry forward their fee to the next term, and I am very positive that it will be considered. So concentrate on your studies. Whenever I will try to give your answers one by one, the way or whenever I get some positive confirmation, or at least some, कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना आपको बताने के लिए. बिना किसी बेसिस के बोलना भी ठीक नहीं है. अगेन, वट एवर आई हैव सेड is based upon my personal experience, my personal information, and you have to take it that way. Official notification or official things will come, but rest assured, we are listening to you. I am particularly listening to you. If any of these things is there, I'll personally take up this issue on your behalf. Thank you. Keep studying. Be safe.